Welcome back to our channel App Tutorial everybody, where we post tutorial videos, and in today's video it's about TikTok and it's on how you guys can delete your TikTok account permanently, and I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can do that step by step, one step at a time. But before that, if you guys are new to our channel App Tutorial, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for our future videos. Now without any further ado, let's move on with today's video now, shall we? First step, you want to open TikTok and click on a profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now once you click on profile, you want to click on the three line at the top right corner of your screen. Now once you click on it, at the bottom you can see settings and privacy. You want to click on it, and once you click on settings and privacy, you can see your self-assess account at the top. Click on it. Now once you're in account, the last option where it says deactivate or delete account, click on it. Now once you click on it, wait for some time and it's going to give you these options. Alright, and from these options you want to choose delete account permanently, and once you click on it, it's going to ask you to choose the option, but if you don't want to, you can click on skip at the top right corner, and once you click on skip over here, you can see the little by continuing button. Click on it. Once you get the tick mark and click on continue, a TikTok account will be deleted, but it's going to take you 30 days to delete your TikTok account. Now if you re-log in into your account within those 30 days, your deleting process will be cancelled. So do not log in into your TikTok account for 30 days or more and it's going to be deleted. So yes, that's basically how you guys can delete your TikTok account permanently. So if you guys found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel App Tutorial. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.